saying, look at that dang fiber strand up there. Look. See it? Make that from my other channel. But I won't. And I'll throw my rubbish away because you're supposed to leave nothing but your footprints and your dirt bike tracks. Take only memories. That's it. It's the rules to the game. Get out of here, Scooter. Get. I got something for you. Oh my. You get trapped in here. Okay. Guess I'm gonna go back home and check on the boy. Probably worried about me. Just playing, guys. He doesn't care. I'm gone. The longest part is trying to get the eyeglasses inside this damn goggles. Bought the other types, but didn't really work. The goggles got all pricked up on me. That's what happened. Everything gets all sweaty and crap when you're dirt biking in the summertime like this. Oh, fuck.